Malacanang says there are requirements under existing laws for the lawful conduct of a lifestyle check of public officials. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma stressed this in response to a demand by military lawmakers in the lower house. President Aquino ordered a lifestyle check on government officials, including members of the cabinet who have been linked in the pork barrel scam. They also want the bank accounts of these officials to be opened to determine if they benefited from the multi-billion peso anomaly. Elena Luna filed this report.
Integration.
Malacanang emphasized the Aquino administration's policy of transparency after a group of lawmakers challenged cabinet officials implicated by Janet Lim Napoles in the pork barrel scam to open their bank accounts.
This administration has consistently advocated openness, transparency, and accountability of public officials. In line with this advocacy, the SAL-ends of the President and cabinet members have been released and made available to the public.
The House Minority Bloc is asking Budget Secretary Florencio Abad, Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala, and TESDA Director General Joel Villanueva to set a good example by disclosing their bank accounts. PCOO Secretary Herminio Coloma Jr. says the palace notes the call for a lifestyle check as well as opening bank deposits.
There are, however, requirements under existing laws, such as the Anti-Graft Law, Republic Act No. 3019, and the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards of Government Officials and Employees, Republic Act No. 6713, before such check can be lawfully conducted. This is in line with the Constitution's guarantee to due process of law.
In the same press briefing, the officials stressed the position of the President.
The President reiterates that mere allegation does not affect the presumption of regularity in the performance of their current duties. Moreover, there is need to recognize their rights to presumption of innocence, especially while no concrete proof of wrongdoing has been presented against them. As the President has always emphasized, let the evidence point to the direction of the inquiry and let justice be carried out without fear or favor.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.